Hi guys, we received this Callez call center headset for working purposes, and it's a really nice one because it uses a 3.5 audio jack to connect to your laptop or to your device. It comes also with this 3.5mm jack splitter for using two devices, which is really nice. As you can see, we have here the user guide. As you can see, it's mounted on the ears, and you can change the way of the microphone and use the clip to flip it to yourself, which is really nice. So let's take it out of here. What I like it is that it has the 360 degrees of movement. As you can see, it's really nice. Here is a clip, so you just put them on, adjust them to the size. With the clip, use it like this, and I'm going to take this off and connect it to my laptop, which I have in here. They're nice because they have noise cancellation, which is perfect when you're working like in a call center, and they are perfect. They have a clear sound, which is nice, and as I said, I can adjust it how I like it. This right now is the right side, but now I'm gonna set it on the other side. Like this, which is really nice. I highly recommend it. They are perfect. They are very comfortable. It has cushions, so it's really nice, and this move so it adjusts to the different types of ears that anyone can have. So I like them a lot. This part of the microphone is flexible, which is nice. And in here we've got the volume control. You can set it lower or higher, and with this button you can answer calls, which is really nice to have, as I've said, when you're working in a call center. So I recommend it. See ya.